Hello everyone, I am Devansh Rathi, also known as the Maths and Science Genius. Today I am giving you a complete step-by-step 1 month roadmap for IGCSE Chemistry. We are going to cover the chapters with the highest weightage, a day-by-day study plan, the best websites for topical questions, and my personal predictions for what you will see in the final 2026 paper. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the topper's revision secret. Let's start with the chapters that carry the most marks in your theory paper. If you are low on time, you must master these 5 topics first. Topic 6, Chemical Reactions. This is the heart of the syllabus, covering rates, reversible reactions, and redox. Topic 2, States of Matter. It sounds simple, but the kinetic theory questions are frequent point scorers. Topic 11, Organic Chemistry. This is usually the largest single block of marks. Mastering alkenes, and alcohols is non-negotiable. Topic 9, Metals. Focus on the reactivity series and extraction methods. Topic 7, Acids, Bases and Salts. You need to know your pH scales and titration calculations perfectly. Roadmap. Day 1 to 15. Phase 1. Phase 1 is the topical grind. For the first 15 days, you will focus on topical questions. My roadmap is now fully updated to include the 2026 specimen and past paper questions. Step 1. Solve topical questions for every single topic. This is the only way to find your blind spots. Step 2. Print out a copy of the official syllabus. As you solve, highlight the subtopics where you consistently lose marks. Don't move on until those highlighted sections are clear. Solve extra topicals for your weak areas until you can get them right 3 times in a row. Identify frequently asked questions. Cambridge often repeats the exact same logic. Keep a running list of questions that appear in multiple years. These are your guaranteed marks. To find these questions, use these 4 websites. Physics and Maths Tutor. It is best for categorized questions. IG Exams, which is great for quick navigation. Save My Exams, which is excellent for their concise notes alongside their vast questions. Rocket Revise, a fantastic resource for the most recent papers. Day 16 to 28, Phase 2. Phase 2 is full past paper practice. From day 16 to 28, you must solve full past papers. Tip 1. Always take physical printouts. Solving on a screen isn't the same as the real exam. Solve under strict exam conditions. No break in between, and use a strict timer. If you don't manage your time now, you will struggle in the actual exam hall. When checking your work against the mark scheme, don't just put a tick. Write the exact correct answer in the margin and read it loud 3 to 4 times. This trains your brain to use the specific keywords examiners look for. Tip 3. Keep a dedicated file. Every paper you should solve goes into this file. This allows you to review your common mistakes in the final hours before the test. Day 29 to 30, the final 48 hours. In the final 48 hours, we use the topper's way of revising. Stop solving new papers and look for patterns. For example, look at topic 1. Which specific subtopic is most frequently assessed? That is where your focus should be. Go back to that list of repeated questions you made in week 1 and solve them all one last time. If you have time left, attempt a few more past papers but prioritize questions from the first 4 units, as these are the building blocks for the entire paper. What to expect in final paper? Finally, here is what I expect for the 2026 paper weightage. Topic 6, Chemical Reactions. Expect a massive 20 marks. You will also get around 13 marks from topics 11 and 12. Topic 1 and 2 will also make up roughly 15 marks, whereas topic 9 and 10 will make up 9 marks. Topic 7 alone makes up 7 marks, while topic 3, 4, 5, and 8 combined to make up the last 22 marks of your paper. If you have any doubts about this roadmap or a specific chemistry topic, comment below. I will make sure to reply as soon as possible to help you out. I am Devansh Rathi, and this has been your IGCSE Chemistry Guide. Do make sure to subscribe for more science and maths hacks. See you in the next video.